Serye. And for now, we have a special guest as a surprise to all of you. And she's now a third-year student in Mindoro State University main campus and taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Wow, major in Mathematics. And now, wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's call her Miss Alexandra Gonzalez. Hello, Miss Alex. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm doing good. Thank you. Even though we have a lot of requirements and activities to accomplish, but still we are students striving hard not just to finish our studies, but to be a better teacher in the near future.
Oh, it seems that it is hard during these times that we are in a pandemic, but I hope you will get through it. Ikaw pa?
Thank you very much.
Everyone, she's here for our two ed series to discuss about constructivist theory and cooperative theory for us. So I will ask her questions. I think it is only 4 questions and the discussion will go through. So we will have answer number 1, the constructivism theory. Okay, for our first question, discuss for everyone, what is the constructivist theory?
Okay, thank you. So there are lots of studies discussed about constructivism. Pero ano nga ba yung constructivism theory? So constructivism is the theory that argues that knowledge is constructed when the learner is able to draw ideas from his or her own experiences and connect them to new ideas. From the word itself, construct, wherein students will construct their own knowledge. Constructivism lies on the premise that learning is an active process. When given the proper guidance and learning environment, learners can create representations of objective reality, and learners are not empty vessels to be filled up, but they can construct knowledge when new information is linked to the prior knowledge. So this theory allows the students to own their learning. They have the opportunity to give their ideas and use their past experiences to create new ideas. So the keywords here is to construct knowledge from the prior knowledge and connect it to the present knowledge. Just to construct a new knowledge. Did you get it? Okay.
Thank you for your discussion about constructivism theory. And it seems that constructivist is a very crucial in our classroom setting. And why the constructivist theory is applicable in teaching mathematics, as you would be teacher and you are now a math major. You're taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education and you are a math major student. So what do you think will be the reason that constructivist theory is applicable in teaching mathematics?
Okay, so constructivist theory is applicable in teaching mathematics in such a way that it allows the learners to think critically and solve the problem on their own. And just to ensure that teachers always make sure that their level of teaching, the kind of instructional materials, and the degree of difficulty of the task should always be, teachers should always be at the level of the students. Dapat alam ng students or dapat hanggang dun lang sa level ng students, hindi sa level mo kasi mas mataas yung sa yung level kaysa dun sa students. So, you should ensure that your level is in the students and that students can grasp and think what they want to solve in the given problem or situation. Okay, so for example, a mathematics teacher who categorize examples or non-examples of a certain topic. Example, the number divisible by 8. So, then can immensely or help the students to organize their concept about it. hence a clearer understanding of the lesson. For instance, in introducing fractions to elementary pupils, Lego blocks can be used to illustrate the concepts first before using numbers. So, dapat we ensure that we connect our past experiences in real-life situation in to our new topic that we will discuss to our that we are discussing to our students. And teachers could actually pose problems that is relevant to the learners, can use big concepts, then segmented or disjoint topics that can invite the learners to participate irrespective of learning styles and disposition. And they can create situations that will reveal the learner's point of view. The teacher must create opportunities for this to occur and must be willing to listen to the learner's reasoning and thinking processes and use authentic assessments, which includes the interaction between the teacher and learner and the learners and the peer. Okay, so it is very important.
That's great reasons that it is really constructivist theory is applicable in mathematics classroom. Okay, not only in an English subject or science, but it can be applied in mathematics classroom. Okay, next question is, what do you think could be the possible challenges in using constructivism in teaching mathematics? What do you think could be possible challenges? Ano kaya yung mga possible challenges in using constructivism in teaching mathematics?
Okay, so the possible challenges in using constructivism in mathematics class were the insufficient background experiences of the students, preparation of instruction, mathematical anxiety, and lack of communication skills. So there are lots of drawbacks. There are a lot of possible challenges in using constructivism in teaching mathematics. So those are the insufficient background experiences of the students, preparation of instruction, mathematical anxiety, and lack of communication skills. So insufficient background experiences of the students that can hamper the discussion or can take a lot of time before they can actually get the concepts that you are trying to teach. So teachers should be well prepared always before they face the learners. They should be dedicated in implementing constructivism in classroom. And one of the challenges, it takes a lot of time to prepare and be ready for the mathematics class. So time constraints. Same as the learners have difficulty in learning and are classified as lower section or the slow learners will make the discussion lame because either you want them to construct their own, but they really want to just say it on them or spoon feed the mathematical ideas. So most of the students in the lower section, they want to have the idea faster or they want na ibigay na lang sa kanila. And also, since it is a math subject, most of the students want that a particular problem are already demonstrated and they will only look on how it was solved so that constructivist theory will be challenged on how the students will be more interested and think critically with a given problem or idea. So, math subject, mas gusto nila yung ibibigay na lang yung kung paano i-solve yung problem. And, di ba, there's a situation that teacher give a different example. Yung niisip ng estudyante na binigay mo ay different example other than the quiz that you have for them. But it is also the same. Iniba mo lang yung statement. And it is a challenge for constructivism learning approach. Okay, that's it. That's, I think, the possible challenges, some of the possible challenges in using constructivism in teaching mathematics.
I hope that those challenges that you have mentioned will be
will have a solution itself. Okay, so there are lots of possible challenges. Ano nga? There are a lot of possible challenges. And now, as you are you familiar with Dale's cone of experience? So, how Dale's cone of experience applicable in mathematics teaching and learning? How Dale's cone of experience is applicable in mathematics teaching and learning. It is applicable in mathematics teaching and learning because the experiential learning is also the constructivist learning theory, wherein the students experience or apply their learning and connect, wherein, and as you can see, it has the most number or percent in understanding or learning and have a longest term of memory that students will have in a particular topic or lessons that they can have. And it is very applicable in mathematics teaching and learning, so that students will have a long-term memory about the topic if they can use the experiential learning. Oh, great! Now I know that Dale's cone of experience is applicable in mathematics teaching and learning, and of course in applying constructivist learning theory. Thank you for being here with us, Miss Alex, and I hope that is not the end because we will have a series number 2, so huwag kayong BBQ, abangan niyo yan. And thank you, Miss Alex. Thank you for watching. God bless and goodbye.